What's your name?
My name is Alia Tanveer.
Where are you living now?
I'm living in France, but I'm from India.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Mohammed Tanveer.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Shabnam Parveen.
What does your father do?
My father is a mechanical engineer.
Okay, what do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor because I want to treatment the patients, and especially for poor people because they don't have money, so I want to treat them in free.
Okay, why are you living in France? Can you tell me the reason?
Yeah, my dad's job is in France, so that's why I'm living in France.
How big is France? Is it small or big?
It is very big, but I'm living in Manosque, and Manosque is a small city, but it is very beautiful and there are lots of trees and lots of things.
Green area.
Yeah, green area.
Okay. Can you tell me some famous place of your place in France?
Famous place. Marseille is famous place because it is very big city, and there are beaches, and there are very big airports and railway station.
Okay. Why are you learning English in this online class?
Because I want to learn English because it is an international language, and it is very important for me because I'm living in France, and in France we speak French, not Hindi, so I can't speak Hindi. And in France we also can speak English. The people can understand English. When I'm in my school, I can't speak English, so I joined this online class for speaking English, and I want to learn English because English is very important for me, and I want to speak in my school. If I want to ask to my teacher, then I can't speak French very perfectly, but little bit I can speak, not very perfectly because I'm learning. So English, that time I can't speak English, so that's why I joined this online class for my education.
Okay, what are you learning in this online class? Can you tell me from beginning?
Yeah, I can tell you. From beginning, I learned sounds of vowel, sounds of consonants, WH question meaning, 24 auxiliary verb, and especially 6 sentences, because 6 sentences help us to speak English and very confidently also. And right now we are learning does with 6 sentences, and preposition I learned, and that's it, I think.
Okay, can I give you some sentence?
Yeah, you can give me some sentence.
Okay. It happens always.
It happens always. No, it doesn't happen always. Does it happen always? Doesn't it happen always? Why does it happen always? Why doesn't it happen always?
Okay. And why we want to learn WH word meaning? Why?
Because WH word meaning help us to make questions to speak in conversation practice. When we do conversation practice, we can answer the questions, but we also have to ask the question. When we don't know how to make questions, first of all, we have to learn the WH question meaning, then we can make the questions. And WH word meaning help us to make the questions.
Okay, for example,
when do you get up early in the morning? The answer will be, I get up early in the morning at 7:06.
Oh, okay, understood. Okay, and which is your favorite topic?
I like all topics because they all are very helpful to learn English.
Okay. Offline offline English classes is nice or online? Which one is best?
I think online, because online in offline, sir is from India, so sir teaches Indian students to speak English, but sir can't teach the like French students, like from England students, because sir is living in India, so the England students can't go India. So online classes is better because they can join the online classes from Switzerland, from England, from France, so they can also learn English.
Okay. Online class is better than offline? Means who teach well?
I think online class, especially Divya English Academy, because I like this academy because they always teach us, and sir is very strict, and we can just sit in our house and join the class, and we can learn very perfectly. And sir also give us homeworks, and he always check our homework. When the student didn't finish the homework, then sir give the punishment or give a stick. And he always, when the student again didn't finish the homework, then he complained to their parents, so we have to finish the homework. And sir always teach us very nice, and in this academy we learn lot of topics and lot of things, and it gave me lot of confidence to speak.
Okay, it's nice class for learners and for our friends. It's nice class or not?
Yeah, it is very nice class. It is good because sir always teaches from beginning, and when we learn from beginning, then we can speak very confidently, very perfectly, and especially 6 sentences. When the student can learn 6 sentences, then they can speak very perfectly, very confidently. And the important is WH question meaning. If we don't learn WH question meaning, then we can't make the questions. That's why it is very important.
Okay, can you tell me some 3 form of word? It's okay for you?
3 forms of verb. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Cut, cut, cut. Put. Sleep, slept, sing, sang, sung. Sing, sang, sung. Answered. Eat, ate, eaten. Be, was, been. Called. Nailed. Opened. Killed. And more are there.
Okay, thank you for answering my question. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It was really good.
Yes, to me also.